Hello everyone, I'm Bariatric coordinator from Jammu Hospital, Jalandhar. Today we have our patient Mr. Indeep Singh who got operated almost a week ago for mini gastric bypass surgery. Let's share his experience, how he's feeling after 1 week of the surgery. Hello sir, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Can you just tell us first of all, what's your age and what's your profession?
I'm 39 years old. I'm a quality assurance manager
Where is your residence currently?
in Canada. Vancouver.
Okay, you had a surgery, mini gastric bypass 1 week ago. What was your weight at that time and what all problems you are facing?
Our weight was around 155 kilos, 340 pounds. The problems were, overweight, typical problems.
Okay, so are you on any regular medicines for diabetes or anything like this?
I should have been, but no, I wasn't.
Okay, so how was your experience of this whole week?
It's been very good.
How much you reduce?
I believe about 6-7 kilos within a week.
Okay, so lots of people are scared of this surgery. How was your experience? Do you think it's a good decision
I
of your
think
life?
I was scared as much as anyone else would be, but there's nothing to be scared of.
Okay, how was your experience with this hospital and staff over here? Are you satisfied with their services?
Absolutely, very good. It's excellent. Makes you feel. Everyone makes you feel comfortable. Everyone's there to look after you all the time.
Okay, lots of people are scared you had the surgery. Just give them a small message. Should they go for the surgery or no?
Absolutely, you should definitely go for it. It'll change your life in the long term.
Some people are scared. They want to connect with the patients who already had the surgery. Somebody from Canada want to talk to you to share your experience. Do you have that much time to explain?
Anytime, absolutely anytime.
Can you just tell us your contact number so that people can approach you?
The phone number is 604-807-1496.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and all the best for your future.
Thank you very much.